Dear students, as you know that GST implemented and started in India on 1st July 2017 by declared by our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and as well as my finance minister Arun Jaitley ji. Okay, so now we focus on the classification of GST यानी कि elements of GST. Okay, so generally GST has been categorized into three parts. See the diagram, such as CGST stand for Central Goods and Service Tax, SGST यानी कि State Goods and Service Tax, last but not least IGST, Integrated Goods and Service Tax. So here both CGST and SGST, Central Goods and Service Taxes and State Goods and Service Taxes, belongs to the local sales, sales within a state. In short, exchange of product and service within a state is known as local sales, and CGST and SGST here belongs to the local sales only. Okay, the trade which occurs within a state is known as local sales, whereas IGST belongs to the interstate sales, one state to another state, is known as interstate sales, or you may be called sales outside state. Sales outside state is known as IGST. Is it clear? So next I will discuss the various slabs of GST. Okay, so goods and services are divided into 5 different slabs for collection of tax: 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. However, petroleum products, alcoholic drinks, and electricity are not taxed under GST and instead are taxed separately by the individual state governments as per the previous tax system. Okay, there are basically 5 tax slabs of GST, namely 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. Okay, so however, some of specific product and services are not come under GST, like petroleum products, alcoholic drinks, electricity, etc. They are comes under old and previous taxes. Okay, so see this picture, classification of GST: 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. Okay, so refer this chart. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are there. First column is known as exempt, यानी कि 0% GST. Second column is known as 5%, third column 12%, fourth 18%, and last 28%. Okay, so C in first column, food grains, curd, milk, egg, curd, lassi, unpacked paneer, and natural honey, fresh vegetables, atta, besan, maida, vegetable oil, prasad, common salt, ये सब ये एग्जाम्प्टिव अंडर आएगा, ठीक है। आई मीन 0% GST में ये सब आ रहा है। नेक्स्ट 5% में क्या आ रहा है? शुगर, टी, कॉफ़ी, एडिबल ऑयल, कोल, स्कीम्ड मिल्क पाउडर, मिल्क फूड्स फॉर बेबीज, कंडेंस्ड मिल्क, पैक्ड पनीर, न्यूज प्रिंट, अम्ब्रेला, PDS kerosene, LPG, brooms are comes under 5% slabs. Next, butter, ghee, mobile, cashew, almonds, fruit juice, packet coconut water, agarbatti are comes under 12% slabs. And hair oil, soap, toothpaste, capital goods, industrial intermediaries, pasta, cornflakes, jam, soups, ice cream, toilet and facial tissues, iron and steel fountain pen are comes under 18% slabs. Similarly, last one, consumer durable cars, cement, chewing gum, custard powder, pan masala, perfume, shampoo, makeup, firework, motorcycle are comes under 20% slabs. So these are the different slabs are there, such as 0%, 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. So in the 0% slabs, here the GST is not chargeable. Is it clear? And so this is the various slabs are there in GST.